Hello fellow rebels, welcome back to the channel. And I've actually finished up early for the day, so we're going to head to Wexford and Carlow for a few bits and pieces and a little adventure. So let's get out of here and head up the road. Hope you enjoyed the last couple of videos. Haven't been too far in the last few videos, but today we'll get a stretch on the bike and we get out and about the sunny southeast. Just chatting to a guy there. Actually, he has an older gentleman in his late 50s, I'd say, and he just bought a VMAX and he's getting it done up at the moment, so he's buzzing with that. And yeah, he just stopped me randomly at the garage there just to tell me all about it. Don't know him or anything like that, but he was sound out, so I told him about the channel. If you're following the channel, how's it going? And nice chatting away to you. Hope you get your forks back within the 12 weeks that you were told you get them. So yeah, let's head off out of Waterford anyway, and we get a break from the city. So we're heading down near Rossway, and we shouldn't be too long more and we get to where we want to go. Okay, so we're just about here at the Garda station. So we're going to the Immigrant Flame, and it's on the 32 counties for Wexford this year, so that's where we're at, or where we're going to. Haven't seen it up close yet actually, so it'll be a first for me too. We're entering the old walled city, or old wall parts of New Ross, so welcome. I think I can pull in here anyway. Yep, there it is. Pull in here and we'll have a little look. It's class, isn't it? We'll turn off Bonnie anyway. Get the picture and then we go over and have a look. Okay, so that's where you go in for the Dumbrody experience in there. I've never been in there. I'm not going to go in there today because it's a bit tight on time, but I might go there another day and video in there. We'll have a look. Nice little setup. So this is the Immigrant Flame. It's the closest I've ever been to it. It's pretty cool, isn't it? That is very, very cool. So you have a little hello. You have a poem there, and I'm sure the history of it is here somewhere. Okay, over here then. This simulation of mine. So I was taking the first lighting of the Immigrant Flame was fire taken from the eternal flame at the graveside of President John F. Kennedy in Arlington Cemetery, Virginia, USA. Cool. There is a statue of JFK down the bottom of there as well. That's worth seeing as well. I might go down there. We'll stroll down there. Actually, over here, the Dumbrody ship is there as well. You see it there. This is Dunbrody. I don't know too much of the history of it now, but I'll have a look another day. But from the famine ship, isn't it awesome? The size of it. That's only a couple of years old, or maybe 2-3 years, I think. The Dunbrody Museum Tourist Experience Centre. Just making it up as I go along. And yeah, Dunbrody's pretty cool. Never ever on it. We'll get a tour someday as well when I'm down here. So then you have all this stuff here as well. Running in Irish and English as well. And you see nice few tourists there, even there, look. That picture of it there looks really great, doesn't it? So there you can see the Kennedy Boutique Hotel. So Kennedy everywhere. My second name is Kennedy, by the way, so if you're wondering why I'm talking about Kennedy a lot. So yeah, got a Kennedy family tradition down here. I say we're related, but we're not. Not that I know of anyway. But yeah, it's cool. It's not along the quay, you have all the flags. Don't know what to represent, to be honest with you, but they do look cool. So this is the JFK statue. And then you have all the stuff here then as well. There's the JFK Memorial there, all in Irish. It's all in Irish as well, but you have your maps and stuff, so it shows you different places to go as well. There's a bike meet down here every Friday. I can't think off my head now where it actually is. It's down around here anyway. So yeah. Cool place, isn't it? I think they were at it, I didn't see them lately. Yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, back up onto the bike now, and we're going to head to Carlow, and Carlow will complete this month's road adventure points. So let's get cracking. We enjoyed this little impromptu little tour along the quays. Alright, let's get back on the road. Isn't this a lovely little village, isn't it? The Rower is called. It's a lovely little place. The Rower Inishtig. So we're crossing into Kilkenny now, so 3 counties, Waterford, Wexford, Kilkenny, and we're going to be entering the Carlow in a while. This is actually the route we took for the tie run. Well, not the full route, but this is where we came for the tie run, into Craignaman and stuff like that. Oh yeah. And we stopped in the garage over there for some refreshments. Yeah, this is the garage that we went to up here. There's a garage in there. We all went in there anyway, so the place is packed out. That was cool. That's a good memory. So can't see with the sun there now. 4 kilometers. Another 35 minutes away. I might misjudge this one. The Gory one could have been closer. I was doing that at home, and I might misjudge it. It could be the same distance, but what I might do now is what I might do now is actually, there's a 32 counties in Carlow as well, so I might take advantage of that when I get to the Masonic Lodge. So that's where I'm going next, the Masonic Lodge. So I'm going to see how close the 32 counties point is when I get to the Masonic Lodge here in Carlow, and then we'll go from there, or we'll go back from there. We'll see. Remember that young fella, the farmer? I'll throw it up in the video there. But yeah, I met him up this way, I think. Oh, where is it? Oh, it's up here. Oh, fuck. That one heavy myself, sorry there. That's my fault there, I put my hands up. I was going too fast for that corner. I misjudged it. I thought the corner was closer to the left, and then I speeded up and ended up having to really horse on the brakes with that car behind me there, so my bad. But always gravy, always good at the end. Yeah, it's nice and warm out now. Not too bad. Hungry now and need a pit stop. I said pit, P-I-T. Gap on here, I believe. Okay, so it's 1998 monument, and it's 26 minutes, but it's back the way, so that's good. We can do that. So we're going to go to the 1798 monument on the way back as well. Cool. Might find somewhere there to stop to get something to eat, because I'm starving and I've been on the bike a while, so I need a bit of a rest and to charge batteries and stuff like that as well. So let's do that first. So back in through Carlow now and back out the gap. Quite disappointed with the well, the Masonic Lodge is very cool, but disappointed with the monument. But there's like 3 or 4 different things, and I was like, no way am I doing that, like, you know what I mean? No way am I go to a place for 20 minutes, half an hour or whatever, and then just end up just going, nah. Do you know what I mean? Just end up not being the place, then I'll be absolutely cracking. Waste of time, like. And I'm not in the form for wasting time. When I get back home, do the shopping, go training. No time for arsing about today. There's Rainbow Walkway there, nice touch, like that. So a short stop in Carlow, but it got one of the big things out of the way was the Masonic Lodge. It's a nice 5-pointer to get me to 30 for full points for this month, so going well, full points every month so far. So happy with that. Sunshine is out, and yeah, it's good. Good to be heading back. It's a nice adventure so far. Just chilling out now in the traffic. Seems heavy enough, but I don't mind. We get back soon enough. We got green anyway. Let's see how long it stays on for. Nice Tesla behind me there. Oi, you got through the green light anyway. Woo. I think there should be a service station up here. There better be, or I'm going to be cracking. So off to the left. Yeah, I hope there's a big one. I'll be a happy rebel. Be one happy Deise Rebel, I tell you. Those back roads that I was on would zap your energy, especially when you're on high alert the whole time. Oh yeah, lovely. Lovely, this is a nice spot. Exactly what I wanted. Lovely. Here we go. Yeah, what to eat? Nice eating outside as well, actually. Don't know what I want to eat, but sure, we'll see. Oh, nearly did stop badly. Right. Let's go inside and have a look. Alright, let's go in here and see what they have. My fellow rebels, thanks very much for watching, and until the next time, Deise Rebel out.